Yeah, now let's see Python conditional control statements with examples. Python conditional control statements with examples. Okay, so in this, we are going to discuss if, if else, if, elif, else ladder with different examples. So these are conditional control statements executes based on condition. We have, if condition returns true, we can execute to some statements. If condition is false, we can execute another statements. Such kind of conditions we can define, and based on condition you can execute statements. So we have if else, if elif else ladder. First I am taking one example, if related. So I am taking finding biggest numbers, finding biggest number among two numbers. That is our requirement. Let me write the program. So in this, if you observe, I am asking user to enter a first number. Let's say user is entered 10 and second number user is entered 5, and I am converting this string form to integer form. Then I am printing value 10, output I am printing a value 10, b value 5, and then I am checking condition 10 greater than 5. Yes, condition is true. It is executing A is big. A is big. Okay. Again, it is checking 5 greater than 10. No, condition is false. This condition is true, but still it is checking this condition also. Next one, second execution. I am passing 5 and 10, and I am printing 10, 5 and 10 as values. Then I am checking 5 greater than 10. No. Again, it is checking 5 greater 10. Sorry, here 10 greater than 5. No. Here it is, sorry, 10 greater than 5. Yes. It is printing B is big. B is big. Okay. So let me here. First time we are passing 10 and 5 to second number. But the first condition is true. Even though first condition is true, it is again checking second condition also. No need of checking second condition. So extra comparison. If you use single if, it uses extra comparison. So to resolve this one, we have if else, if else, same program I am achieving using if else. Observe this program, and it reduces execution time compared to previous one. It executes 10 and 5. A is big. So let me take another program. In this program, same only, but instead of two if conditions, second if I am taking else. So first, what happened? You are passing A value, you are passing B value. Then here you are printing output is A value and B value. Here it will check 10 greater than 5. Yes, condition is true. It prints A is big. Once execution is completed, control comes out of else block. So if condition is satisfied, it executes all statements inside if. Once execution is completed, control comes out of else block. Second iteration, let's say I'm running program in second time. This time I am passing 5 for A, I am passing 10 for B. Then here it will check uh, 5 greater than 10. Condition is false. If condition is false, control directly comes to else block. It prints B is big. Then once else part is completed, control comes else part out of else part. So compared to previous program, it reduces number of condition checks. So output is same, but execution time may be different compared to previous program to this program. Here you are seeing only few lines. When you write multiple lines of program with multiple if conditions, then it will take a lot of time, right? Such kind of things you can replace with if else. Okay. And next important one is if elif else ladder thing. Here we can write if condition, then else, else statements, else statements, if statements. Okay. Middle, you can write any number of elif, elif, elif. You can write any number. Depends upon your requirement. Middle, you can write any number of elif statements. Depends upon your requirement. Let me write one example. In this example, I am taking 3 inputs from the user, and then I am writing if elif statements, if elif statements for this implementation. Okay, see, in this program, I am taking 3 inputs. Let's say 10, 5, and 15. 15, 5, and 10. 5, 15, and 10. Let's say we are passing values in this way. Now let's understand how this if elif going to execute. See here, I written if condition. I'm using logical operator and. So first I'm checking 10 greater than 5. Condition is true. 10, 5, 10 greater than 15. Condition is false. And operator returns false. If both conditions are true, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Then control comes to immediate elif, and here it is checking 5 greater than 15. No. Then it directly comes to else block. It is printing C is big. Next, if I rerun, so I am passing uh, here 15 greater than 5. Condition is true. 15 greater than 10. Condition is true. True and true. Both conditions are true. It will enter into this location. It executes this statement, and after executing, control comes after last else block. Next, if I rerun this program in this way, I passed 5, 15, 10. 5 greater than 15, false. 5 greater than 10, false. False and false, false. Then control comes to else block, if block. Here it will check. 15 greater than 5, yes, true. It will execute this statement. Then control comes after last else block. So in this way, we can add elif statement in your program. These elif statements, you can write any number, depends upon your requirement. Let me execute this program. I am passing 10, 5 and 15. Then we got C is big. Then 15, 5 and 10, A is big. I am running 10, 15 and 5. B is big. Clear writing? Clear, right? This conditional control statements.